కాంగ్రెస్ నేత రాహుల్ గాంధీ మీడియా సమావేశాన్ని ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారం ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
Blunt instruments. I would have liked a lot more power decentralized to the states. I would have liked a more detailed conversation between the states and the Prime Minister with regards to the strategy with the lockdown. But fine. I mean, there's a particular style that Modi ji has, which is fine. One can work around that style.
Thank you, Sandeep ji. Can we have from Hindustan Time, Aurangzeb ji? Can you unmute your mic and ask question, please? Hindustan Times.
Sir, he may not be there in the video. You can. Okay. He sent you the question. You can ask the question that he sent you.
I'll then, sir, read out the question that he has sent to us. Aurangzeb ji from Hindustan Times wanted to ask: everybody accuses the PM of centralizing everything, centralizing everything, but he has been engaging with chief ministers as well. What do you have to say? Also, have you suggested your CMs to deal with migrant population specifically? That's the question, sir.
Sorry, can you repeat the first part, the control
yes,
part?
Sir. Aurangzeb from Hindustan Times, sir, wanted to ask: everybody accuses the Prime Minister of centralizing everything and controlling it, but he has been engaging with the chief ministers, including those of the opposition. What do you have to say? And secondly, he said that what's your suggestion to deal with the migration population?
The best line I have heard in my conversations was that COVID cannot be controlled, it has to be managed. It has to be dynamically managed. And if you manage it properly, then you will be able to fight it back. But if you try to control it, you will not be able to control it. There's a difference between management and control. I think one needs to go beyond conversations. One needs to actually start putting money on the table, dynamically asking the chief ministers, what do they need? How can the central government help? So it is more than a conversation. It is a method of working. On the migrant issue, I think couple mistakes were made with regards to the suddenness of the lockdown that have created a problem. We have a lot of migrants who are now stuck, and it is going to become a bigger problem as we go ahead. I think it's very important that we have a strategy for this, and I think the central government should work on a strategy of this, either how to solve this migrant issue in the states. I have not been speaking directly to my chief ministers about migrants, but I have mentioned to them that they need to handle this situation with extreme care and gentleness.
Thank you, sir. Can I ask Manoj CG from Indian Express to come in, please? Manoj CG from Indian Express. Manoj ji, please ask your question if you're here. Or
I think he's sent in. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. He has sent, sir. Manoj has sent. He has got disconnected for some reason, but he sent the question, and I'll read out his question to you. What Manoj basically wanted to ask from the Express was, and I read the question: all the Congress-ruled states had demanded extension of the lockdown. You, on the other hand, have asked the government to change its one-size-fits-all strategy. You have argued that India's conditions are unique and need to take different steps, unlike other large countries which are following a total lockdown strategy. Why this contradiction or suggestion?
Well, first of all, India is the only country in the world that is attempting a lockdown with the migrant population that we have. There is no other country in the world that has the scale of migration that we have, other than China, which has stopped the migration in its tracks, because the Chinese system is different. They have, most of their migrants live in factories and live near factories and live in proper housing. So we have this huge migration problem. And we are also quite a decentralized country. I've been a member of parliament in Uttar Pradesh and in Kerala. I can tell you that the response in Kerala is completely different than the response in Uttar Pradesh. Results are different, the way of working is different, the style is different. So you need to give much more power to the chief ministers. In my view, the center needs to control the main arteries, the main national system, but the state needs to control its area. So if Chhattisgarh, in my view, wants a more nuanced lockdown and a Uttar Pradesh wants a total lockdown, that choice, in my view, should have been given to the chief ministers. But it's fine. It's not been given. We're past that now. It's no point going over it again. Now we've gone into a full lockdown. We're now opening up partially on the 20th. I'm advocating a strategic opening because I fear that if you open and you do not have testing, you will be forced to go into a lockdown again because you will see the disease profile will pick up. So that is why I'm advocating for a strategic lockdown where the state governments are aggressively testing and checking what is going on dynamically.